If your webcam isn't working in Google Chrome, or the browser is blocking camera access, don't worry. I'll walk you through how to fix it quickly and safely. First, open Google Chrome on your computer, and we're going to head directly into the browser settings. In the address bar at the top, type this URL, Chrome or Settings Privacy, and press Enter. This takes you straight to Chrome's privacy controls, so you don't have to search through menus. Once the page opens, scroll until you see Site Settings. Go ahead and tap or click on it. This section controls what websites can use, things like your camera, microphone, and location. Now look for the option labeled Camera. Open it, and you'll see a list of available cameras. Choose the primary camera you want Chrome to use. Usually it's built in, but if you have an external webcam, make sure the right one is selected. Just below that, you'll see a permission setting. Make sure it's set to Sites can ask to use your camera. This is important, because if it's set to blocked, websites won't even be able to request access. After switching it on, Chrome will now allow sites to ask for camera access, and your webcam should start working the next time a website requests it. You may just need to refresh the page or restart Chrome. If this guide helped you, feel free to like the video, subscribe, and stick around for more simple tech fixes you can do yourself.